Hi, this is George Heber Joseph, CEO and CIO of ITI Mutual Fund. Today we are here to talk about ITI Value Fund. This is a fund which will be practicing value investing. Legendary investors like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Benjamin Graham has been very successful in the Western world by practicing value investing. Value investing is nothing but buying good quality companies at very attractive valuation. ITI Mutual Fund, we have an investment philosophy which we clearly says that SQL, margin of safety, quality of the business, and low leverage is the investment philosophy we follow. Margin of safety is the key element for value investing, which means you're buying 100 rupees worth of stock at 30 rupees. For 70 rupees is the margin that you get, and the business should be low leveraged. Typically, this kind of investing style definitely pays off in a significant way in the long run, and that is what we are ultimately aiming in this particular fund. The fund has very definite attribute with regard to good quality companies being bought into it, and also at different points in time we see different sectors, stocks, and the market itself becoming very cheap because of certain elements which plays out in the market. It could be country specific issues because of which market is falling, or a company specific or a sector specific issues because of which the sector is becoming very cheap. Buy those stocks in those respective sectors and hold on to it for the normalization of value. That is the whole agenda behind value investing. And this fund has a investing horizon of at least 3 to 5 years for any investor who is looking into it. Somebody who has patience to wait for 3 to 5 years, and also has definitely thinking about equity as an asset class to be investing in. For within the entire equity and asset class, we believe that large cap, mid cap, small cap, various products are available, but value investing product is a very significant value add to your overall equity portfolio. So therefore, there is a relevance for this fund to be in the investing universe of yours. The key aspect of this product is we'll be investing in multi-cap category, large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks, and there is no definite bifurcation of large, mid, and small in this fund. And it is a good long-term investing opportunity that you are getting at this point in time, looking at the economic cycle where we are in. The long-term opportunity in the category is clearly visible. The value category has done phenomenally well across the globe and also in India as well. And we believe if you have a long-term horizon to invest in, this can be very attractive and capital appreciating for you. The biggest advantage of this product is that you're buying everything cheap, and high quality companies, when it comes at a very attractive valuation, you buy into it. The case in point is Nestle in the year 2016. We have seen because of the Maggie issue, the mercury was found in the Maggie, and because of which the company stock came tumbling down, and it was a very attractive moment to buy a great company at a very attractive valuation and hold on to it. So buying will be very clearly monitored, and that will be the key strategy behind it. And nevertheless, long-term compounding stories is one area where we will be definitely looking at. The cheap turnaround stories, some of the stocks becoming the spin-off or the demerger or acquisitions wherever it is happening, we think that that can become a very attractive value opportunity. And also where there is a management change because of which the professional management coming in, it can be a great value opportunity. But we look at all the possible scenarios, and specifically the sectoral level, big down cycle in a sector which has happened, especially in the case of infrastructure, capital goods, and all those sectors in the last 10 years, it throws up a lot of value opportunities. So these are the hunting ground for the fund, and say that the fund will be well managed, and it suits well to the overall investment philosophy of ITI Mutual Fund. And the fund taxation is equity taxation, which means the long-term capital gain is 10%, and also the short-term capital gain is 15%, which is very good for the product. For an investor who is looking from an equity taxation point of view. The downside will be fairly limited, which is the biggest advantage, because you are buying things cheap, and therefore the potential downside spiraling is very less. And therefore, investor who is having less of downside potential kind of product which you are looking at, then ITI Value Fund can be a very good value add in your portfolio. The NFO time period is from 25th of May. It starts from tomorrow and ends on 8th of June 2021. The minimum application amount is 5,000 rupees, and we believe it is a good time to invest into value funds. And next 10 years, I believe it is a value theme which is going to outperform the growth theme. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.